I know at PTC, I had a customer tell me that they're finding on average 20 new regulations having to do with sustainability per day from the various regions that this global manufacturer needs to play in. The EU has regulations, the United States through SEC and other boards, as well as standards that buyers want companies to comply with. So when you hear about sustainable products or circular products, that can be greenwashing to some extent. For those of us in manufacturing, we know that it's more of a spectrum. We want our products to become more sustainable. They're not going to be perfectly sustainable overnight, probably not even within a decade, but we can move the needle significantly. 3 areas where we see focus for engineering are around dematerialization, which is one, using the right material. That doesn't come with a lot of embodied carbon, of course, is REACH, ROSE approved for hazmat and other aspects, but also using as little of that material as possible in your design. One, to save material, and you get a double bonus if it's on a mobility device because it removes the energy that's needed to operate that product. So dematerialization is a big one. Energy efficiency, of course, waste reduction in that. Not only using recyclable material, but also designing for disassembly. So that when the product is end of life, that larger components of that product can be removed and recovered either back in a supply warehouse or remanufactured, or maybe some material does need to be recycled beyond that.